What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be going over a strategy that is said to have a 90% plus win rate and can work on stocks, forex, and crypto, as well as the 1 minute all the way up to the daily time frame. Now, if you want to learn how to take these trades that are netting 47% on one trade, 60% on another trade, 76% on another trade, then you guys want to make sure that you guys are paying attention to everything that I'm going to talk about. Because in this video, I'm going to show you guys how we took this original strategy and changed this one thing and took the gains from 124% gains to 290% gains. And then if you guys want even more gains, you just change this one thing right here and you can go up to 1,350% gains. I'm going to show you guys all of that in this video. So before we jump into indicators, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let's just jump into it. So the first indicator that we are going to add is the median convergence divergence by this person right here. So you just type in median convergence and this will pop up and we'll click it and it will add it to the chart. And first we'll go to the style section and we are going to change this color 3 right here to a darker red by clicking right there. And then we'll go ahead and change this to this dark red right here. And then we will hit OK. And before we get into the settings, make sure you guys head down below, sign up to Bybit, get your free $4,000, up to $4,000, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel, I go over all of these coins that are over on Bybit, and I talk about what I will be looking for trades. So once we get at that up to 500 subscribers, we'll be going over that. So make sure you guys sign up to Bybit, claim your $4,000 for free once you deposit and start trading. You have to deposit in order to get the bonus. So for the MCD, the fast length settings, we are going to change that to 7. And the slow length, we will change to 25. And then we will hit OK. For our second indicator, we are going to need an indicator that tells us when we are in an uptrend or a downtrend. So that is going to be the moving average exponential. So you just type in EMA, click that, and it'll add it to the chart. Then we will change the style of the EMA. So go to the settings and then styles. We're going to change this to yellow. And I'm going to thicken up the line here by clicking right here. And then we'll hit OK. Then we'll go back to the settings and we'll change the length to 200. Press enter and then hit OK. So according to the rules that I found for a short trade, you are going to want to be below the EMA, and you are also going to want to have the MCD flashing or going below the 0 line, which is right here. So you can see on this candle, this meets the criteria here. And as you can see, if we got in at that exact moment, we would have taken this trade right here for the short side of things, put our stop loss right here, put our risk to reward as 2-to-1 risk to reward, and you see this trade would have worked out. And you see here we have the same exact situation. For the buy side of things, we are above the 200 EMA. We turned green right here. We will go ahead and put that up. And as you can see, this trade would have been a successful trade right here as well for the buy side. So now that you guys understand the rules to buying and selling, I will show you guys the backtesting results of 200 times on a strategy that is supposed to have a 90-something% win rate. So as you guys can see here, we have our 200 backtests and we have the results here. We had 57% win rate, which is nowhere close to 90. But I mean, if you just have 2 indicators like this, you're never going to get anything close to 90% like that. And you have a 290% gains. You do have a pretty bad losing streak right here. Then it picks back up. We started out at $1,000 and we ended up with total profit of $2,900. And so, yeah. And if you guys wanted to make more money, you just change your risk per trade to 2%. And so that's that. Before I go, just make sure you guys back test your own strategies. Don't ever believe anything that you see online, even from me. Go ahead and back test this yourself. Verify that this is actually what it is. And it could be different on your asset. These things could change as time goes on. You never know. So you always want to backtest these things yourself. And if you guys want this sheet, just make sure that you guys go down below, sign up to Bybit using my link. And then once you do, join the Discord and I will send this over to you. So that's going to do it. Catch you guys next time.